Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Tuesday. It's February 28th, 2012. We're going to have a quick little look here at gold in tonight's market analysis. We've been long this one for a bit now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 days. So I've been advancing the stop along as we go. The main thing whenever you get into a position is once you start moving in the direction you expected and you're showing a profit is to protect yourself from the potential for a false rally that breaks down ultimately. So instead of having the potential loss on the table, if something like that were to happen, especially if you're already in gains, advance your stop. That's the key. It's paramount. We've been doing that, and we're going to do that again. We're going to take this stop loss limit that is right here, and we're going to move it to at least right here. That's what will be on this particular chart. And again, these charts are always kept at PerfectStockAlert.com, 100% free website. You can check it out. They're updated every single night whenever there's something that we either see a new opportunity on for the long side or the short side, or any change in our stop loss limits or technical analysis that may develop, like we were seeing back here. We're talking about this uptrend line that broke down, and we were going to leave it alone for a while until it started to show some signs of reversal again, and so forth and so on. So we have all this stuff on the website you can check out whenever you'd like. And there's several charts that I am really interested in right now. I'm going to show you one of them right now, but I just wanted to bring this to your attention that gold, I'm going to go ahead and advance the stop on that. Okay, we're going to have a quick look here at the India Bombay Stock Exchange. I don't mess with this one very often. I told you guys back when this one was drifting higher in this time period that I wasn't trading this one. I was just trading other charts at the stronger in other areas. And then she just got really overextended without any major pullback, and I just didn't want to mess with it. And I warned about this potential a couple times. And well, now we're getting this, and that's what we want. We want a good quality pullback like this, where we see candlestick highs are consecutively lower one after another. We have right now only 4 consecutive days to the downside. That's not really all that major. It's not above average for sure. So there's nothing there to be all that concerned with here. And I don't want to be a buyer yet. I want to wait. And we got a couple things we got to look for. Number one, you do have this previous resistance here, all right? That was obviously a breakout at some point. We got above that. So once you broke above that, that resistance then starts to act as support. Well, we're now nearing this support area. So I'd be looking for this to start developing. Look for a hammer candlestick formation, something like this. All right, when you see something like that start to form, that's telling you that they're actually starting to pick up some buy pressure there, and that typically happens at a support area. So keep an eye out looking for that. Now, even though we're going to see that sooner or later, I still wouldn't buy. I would wait until I got a reversal situation where you have, like back here, you can see that you got a hammer candlestick, and then the next day people were probably buying thinking now she's going to reverse. That's still too early. You want to wait until the candlesticks themselves start to get a series of higher highs compared to the previous candlestick and higher lows. At that point, you've got your reversal. Then you buy. So the next day after that, you could actually have been a buyer here, see a little move here, your stop would have been here, and then she advances. That would work just fine. You're going to try the same thing again here. You're always trying the same thing. It's technical analysis. It doesn't matter if you're trading Forex, you're trading stocks. It doesn't matter. Everything is going to be traded. If you're trading from a technical perspective, it's going to be traded the exact same way. All right? If I see a setup or an opportunity form on the long side in this particular chart, I will, of course, I'll try to do a video on it, but if I don't, there will be an updated chart on our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com. It's right there, 100% free. All we ask in return, yada, yada, yada. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.